My film professor Max challenged me to make an original video. And I have a teammate who hasn't had a big birthday since she moved out here. All I saw was 2 birds in 1 stone. I decided we're gonna throw her a surprise birthday party. First step, I told her boyfriend to get her out of the house so we could decorate.
They're on their way, so now we gotta sprint as fast as we possibly can over their house. They're on their way.
It's like 3 songs in a car. We have plenty of time.
Then our freshman got into a little argument with our former camera guy.
It's okay, we got a better camera.
When was the last time you were in a running side video?
I don't care.
Alright.
I don't care.
Connect the dots.
Connect what dots?
Noah Lindau. Okay, he is valid.
Me and Noah really appreciate the shots of Euphoria.
No. KB is shooting.
And finally they showed up. And it took them a while to realize we were there.
Knock on the door. I said no.
It's your birthday! How did you know that? Because I was banging on the wall. Commit, come hear the plan. Come hear the whole situation of what happened. Jack texts me, he's like walking up. Last week, when I came over, I left and I immediately started making the plan. I texted her and I FaceTimed him, and then we coordinated a group chat.
Figured!
And then on the weekend, I told Elena so that she could let us in. And then I brought everyone, and then it's Commit's birthday! Yeah! Happy birthday to you!
We had a little fun.
Get a sense of here.
Straight up.
Oh, wow. I didn't know this was
We're gonna cut that, right?
Post-game interview, champ, how'd it go?
Pretty solid.
Yeah.
Although I, heard y'all moving around in the back, and then I saw a silhouette of one of you just running back.
Did you hear me just pounding on the wall?
At one point, yeah.
I thought, huh? No, I was like, we had some cake with her. And that's when we got hit with the silly string.
Wow! I just got this out of my hair at 12 o'clock this morning!
How was that? Where's your vacuum at?
They don't have a cake in here.
In the closet next to the bathroom.
Then we cleaned up and went home. Glad she had a good birthday. Love you, pal. It's not every day that you get a big opportunity to make someone's day better, which is why I truly love making the kind of content that we get to make. First of all, we get to have fun, we get to spread positivity, and if we make someone's day, that literally makes everything worth the while. I really love doing what we're doing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.